cool car.
Yeah.
But when I discovered that it was...
Tom, you have a beautiful 1967 pace car behind us.
The car was purchased by a friend of mine up in Indianapolis back in the 80s. It sat for 24 years. Hello, I'm Tom Beld. Welcome to the Old Car Garage.
The owner, Tom Beld, started this company 8 years ago because of a simple problem. Too many cars, not enough space.
What I have found out is that guys have a passion for their car and they're storing it in their garage, and their wife wants to use the garage. So I offer an alternative for them to be able to store their car here and keep their wife happy also. And it's a transitional thing. Some people need storage for short term, some people need long-term storage, so the cars come and go.
Check this out, a 1967 Camaro Indy 500 pace car that's in incredible condition. But when Tom got this car 4 years ago, it looked far from this because it had sit outside for 24 years.
A friend of mine purchased the car in Indianapolis back in the 80s and drove it for a few years and then had some issues. The car was parked and sat for over 20 years. I purchased the car and brought it into the shop. Found out that it needed a complete restoration, which has taken 4.5 years. Every nut, every bolt, every hose, every clamp. The car turns out to be one of 43 that GM built for the track in Indianapolis in the month of May in 1967.
Let's take a look at the 25 cars, trucks, and motorcycles that Tom has stored here at the Old Car Garage.
This is a 1963 Cadillac Eldorado Ritz convertible.
Very cool.
This is a 1978 Indianapolis 500 pace car. Waylon Jennings bought it brand new in 1978, and I bought it from him back in the 80s.
Tom, what do we have here?
This is a 1936 Auburn Boattail Speedster. This is a 1970 Dodge Challenger. It's a 440 Magnum car. Customer is in the U.S. military in the Army. He did a couple tours in Afghanistan, and when he came home, he bought the car of his dream. This is a 1955 Chevrolet Corvette, and this is really what saved the Corvette. When they first came out, they were just 6-cylinder cars and not really a sports car. And in '55, they came out with the V8 and really turned around what everybody thought of as the American sports car.
And Tom is actually a member of a few car clubs, and he lets the guys, those members, that's what I'm looking for, the word. Tom is a member of a few car clubs. He actually lets the